In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone 13 or 13 mini. I'll show you two ways. So the first way is to hold this button on the right side and the volume up or down. It doesn't matter which one. You need to hold them, because if you don't hold them and you just press them, it will take a screenshot, and this is not what we want. So I will hold them, and after 2 seconds, I'll have this screen appearing. All you have to do is to slide the first slider and press the OK. The phone will now shut down. To power it back on, all you have to do is let it press this right button during 2 or 3 seconds until the Apple logo will appear. Here we go. Now we can let it go and the phone will boot up normally. Now the second method is to restart the phone if the first method didn't work. To do so, you need to press the volume up, volume down, and then let the right button pressed. Let me do it. So volume up, volume down, and I'm pressing the right button. When you see this, don't let it go. Keep it pressed. Keep it pressed a few more seconds. And now you can let it go when the screen turns black. The Apple logo will show up and the phone will boot up again. You don't need to do anything else. This may take a few seconds usually. Here we go. So these were the two methods to restart or turn off your phone. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment down below, a like, and maybe why not subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.